Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
It is early morning for us. We are at the Rose Bowl Flea Market. We discussed this during our live little broadcast thing, whatever that thing was called. Live stream.
During December.
We had discussed this in our live stream. It was kind of like a group collab effort of let's do a swap meet scavenger hunt. So I got our list right here. We're gonna go in, find this stuff. I think we put a time limit on it.
Time limit?
Yeah.
How long?
We'll give ourselves 2 hours max.
Okay.
If we can't find this in 2 hours, no.
We're not gonna find it.
Yeah, we're not gonna find it. Well, it's huge. This place is freaking massive. All right, okay, let's go. Okay, we made it inside. It was treacherous, but here we are. It's gonna rain today, so I hope you know how much we love you guys.
We love you.
Our list, what we did was we went through season 1, and we want to find something that represents each episode we did in season 1.
We're not narcissists, I swear.
And we're gonna go around and see what we can find. But we got coffee first.
But first,
coffee. T-Rex. I'm pretty sure this is a T-Rex.
What?
I'm pretty sure.
Is it a dress?
No, it's not. They're horses. Oh, I thought it was a T-Rex
That
from
would
across
have
the
been
room.
amazing.
I'm so excited.
I would have bought that dress if it was T-Rex's.
Cheetah.
Collection of rabbit friends.
Yes. Episode that disappeared. It happened in Illinois.
We have this episode, but we got striked because of music. There's a Mickey.
Yes. Done. Ice cream. Check. Mickey.
Check.
Check.
I am a table.
Pumpkin, Sleepy Hollow, jug. We do need Star
We
Trek
do
stuff.
Star Trek stuff.
It's Jordy. And that's Data.
That counts.
I don't remember. T-Rex is back. Everything is here. Everything is here.
Look, a T-Rex.
I don't know. Dutch people? Does that count?
Dutch people?
Does that count as our Amish thing?
No, look. What? Get out of town.
I found a space shuttle.
What? Where?
Right here.
Yes.
There you go.
Space shuttle.
If you will recall, when we were in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, we went and learned how to make pretzels.
I was just gonna get a pretzel to eat.
A failed episode of Pioneer Town. Wagon wheels.
Yes.
Cider jug.
Yes.
Cider jug.
That's a cider jug. Yeah.
It's Riley Farms cider jug.
We got ourselves a pumpkin from our Riley episode. Houston, Texas. This is actually from my university. The Cullen building. I know this building.
I've been there.
Cereal. From that time that Natalie forced me to eat popcorn and milk.
Just follow your nose.
Neville.
So
I love it.
Appreciate it. Thanks for following me.
Oh, I love it. Ghost number 1. Hey, look. Bonus. Pee-wee. More importantly, ghost number 2.
We've been searching for things with ghost themes, and there's nothing. Do those little pilgrims count as colonial?
Yes. Townsend bonus. Nutmeg.
Put some nutmeg on it.
You kidding me with this? There's buggies on the glasses. Does that look familiar?
Look at that. Ghosts. Not real ghosts. Ghosts count.
What?
Throwing hatchet.
That's a great throwing hatchet. I could throw that hatchet.
Actually, the weight on it's a good weight.
Good.
Hot brownie episode.
Oh, that's it.
Hot
right
paraphernalia. Yeah. I'm going to talk about this. Technically, I think Ursula is an octopus. The Little Mermaid never had an octopus in it. It's a sea witch. And I don't know why Disney's Little Mermaid had to make an octopus out of it. That's the closest we've found to an octopus all day.
there. We're getting there.
We're getting there.
We've seen crabs.
That
We've
might
seen
have to
lobsters.
count. That might have to count.
Get out of town.
Just hit you? Do you need those?
I don't know.
Well, we are definitely over our time limit at this point in time, but I'm not a quitter.
No, we're not giving up.
Unless I'm high, then I'm a quitter evidently.
We can do this.
And now I have some alcohol.
We got this.
We're gonna keep trying. I don't.
Let's do it.
At this point in time, oranges count.
Counts? What are they counting for?
The OC Faire.
Oh yeah, that counts.
Faire.
Desperate bottom of the barrel. Where's Waldo?
Where's Waldo?
I can't find him.
Give me a goddamn
We
octopus.
cannot find an octopus.
Also, duct tape. I thought we would have definitely run into
Sure,
duct
like
tape
a
by
wallet
now.
made of duct tape at least.
We got hosed a little bit.
We got hosed. The weather. We got hosed for the
It was
weather.
supposed to rain today, so a lot of the vendors didn't show up. Like, just show this.
Look
This
at
is
this
all-
gap. Ready?
all missing vendors.
That's a missing vendor. See where Natalie is? That's where a vendor normally goes.
Getting desperate at this point. We're counting this as fruit gadgets. She must have done that.
There's a banana peel and it's endangering the lives of. Oh no, 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 no.
I can't
No,
look.
no, no.
Have you ever stepped on a banana peel in the wild?
No. Like, look at this. This is a danger to all.
No, I'm gonna solve this.
Solve it. They're still in my pocket from weeks ago.
We found some Christmas ornaments, even though the ones we made were handmade, but gosh, this day is running out of time.
Yes, 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 yes. And we got it. Goggles.
At this point in time, we are on the scavenger hunt for one thing.
One thing.
Duct tape. Anything made of duct tape. I don't know how this is so hard. I've seen things made of duct tape here before. This is ridiculous.
Yeah, it's getting absurd.
Oh, you got
I'm
this one?
refusing to give up that.
I will accept anything with duct tape on it at this point.
Like just a sign?
box.
A box that has some duct tape on it?
Yes.
I mean, it's not even a real ladder. We're at the stage right now where this is gonna count for my chutes and ladders. And chutes and ladders was for sky slide. It just, we can't find, but. O, the M to the G.
What?
It is.
No way.
Ear candles.
Ear candles all the way
I didn't even
down.
have to cheat on this one.
Are you filming for YouTube or something?
Uh-huh. We're doing a scavenger hunt for YouTube.
Nice.
Yeah. Did you want
What's your profile?
Natalie and Tara? All right. We're calling it. We have found everything. Okay, maybe we're justifying something. So we found everything on our list except for one thing. The one thing that we could not escape. The one thing that defied us all along. Duct tape. Oh, fine, you duct tape. But it was an amazing day at the Rose Bowl Flea Market. Great idea, guys. We had fun. Natalie's struggling with.
Stop.
She put a lot of stuff.
Remember me? Big mistake.
As always, I'm Tara.
I'm Natalie, way back here.
And this is Natalie and Tara Try Stuff.
And fail at stuff.
Bye.
I refuse to fail. I didn't find duct tape, but I found a piece of a zip tie on the floor and I picked it up.
So there you go. We completed the list.
Yay!
Yay!